You unboxing with Laka.
Laka.
Hey.
No, Laka is
Yeah. Bandai ka po. Dari ka nagpigay. Maraming bandai ka.
No. Hey.
What's that?
Oh. Box 1. So.
Laka one.
You want inside? Want to go inside?
Bang kamu nila katok ko sa kamu nila.
No.
No.
Go inside.
Nari masuk niya.
Bom. Bawa pa Brazil.
Sabi niya, what smell is inside? What a
Fresh
smell.
mga ganito.
Cepat daw. Kan good. Bantang.
Bantang.
Maybe. Kalau buka macam bantang.
Feel something.
Astaga.
What's that? Oh, hold on. I open it.
Ah.
Abang, put your hand.
Oh, what's that? Careful, huh?
I know it.
Open from here. Oops. That's
Donut.
sticker. What's that?
Voltron.
Wow. Voltron, you open more the plastic.
Eh?
Wow.
Ha? Dede.
That's
Alamak. Daihatsu. Wih,
Careful, huh?
Wow.
You can just stir it up.
now the
Excuse me.
Cut some first, some parts.
I see.
This robot is ordered from, is it Lazada? Oh, Shopee, Philippines.
At last.
Alfi'S
Alfi'S friend.
friend. I have two friends. Now Laka J.
Oh, nice Voltron.
Can I see?
Hold on.
His body is broken.
Look at Laka. He's jealous. He wants to see his best friend.
I'm jealous because your package is here.
What about that?
Oh,
That's
nice piece. And then, yeah. Pretty cool. Maybe.
you
Oops.
break the leg again.
Break the law. Just kidding.
Wow. Wait, can it turn a lion? We have sword. Oh yeah, I forgot. He's not got sword. Wait, let me get my twins. Where's my twins back?
Careful when you pick up.
Where's my? Is that how it looks
Wow, it's done.
Hey,
Very nice. And also the stickers for our cars. Toyota and Daihatsu.
like?
And also that one, the bomb
And also,
from
Tita Mars.
Chaser Marisol Aura.
and also,
And also Laka.
Laka's my best friend. Where's the Megazord? Where's the Megazord?
This is my mom.
Hey!
So nice.
They will fight against each other.
Oh,
They're gonna
okay.
be friends, I think.
You want to do fighting?
No, they're not team. I
Yeah.
hate teaming.
So this one is, what is this?
Megazord.
Megazord. And the
And
other
he
one
lost the
is
horn.
Voltron, right?
Yes.
And he lost the horn.
Now you have additional collection.
But it's small.
Where's the people there? Of course not. The both hand are smaller, but the black lion will be bigger. Okay. Oh, nice. Good piece. I should take this person.
Yeah, you should for the review.
Well, I like
I think supposed to be there's a figure there.
I know you're missing. Is it how they do like this?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. I know to this.
You will familiar with that.
Family.
Familiar.
Familiar. Should I family?
Take this off. Take out the feet.
That's nice. I'll take the yellow. Oh my goodness. Because the yellow is like nice. One. The pink one will go. This thing will go to the red one. You can have multiple. Now buy yellow. Buy yellow.
Hey, it's the same.
It's the same. And also this. Why does
Give me the same.
what the pink one has? Because
But it's black.
and also the yellow here. The yellow is cool.
Anyway.
The pink, the red lion, the T-Rex.
Are you happy for another collection? Yeah?
And I see the giant lion.
Papa still.
I need to teach you
The
the
blue lion, what is for? This one pink. You have pink. This guy has
Is that the big lion?
Yeah, the black lion.
Look pa. He's stuck. And now we have multiple lions.
The black lion. Oh, sorry, accidentally. I need to bring two of them. There's a expertise good on this. He will fix this. So Nima. Supposed to be.
I know they're friends, but they're not friends.
So nice.
Yes, Alfie have it at last. The Voltron Force, the
Nope.
robot lions, and the bums.
The bumps.